Welcome to MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks for you to be able to deliver a speech at any given time. It's not going to be very complicated, and I hope this will be useful for you. Analyze the event, analyze the venue. Number 2, analyze the audience, who they are. Still analyzing the audience, but why they are there. 4, explain who you are, why you are there on the stage, what you're planning to say. Then move on to the main issue, the topics that you are going to say. And don't forget to speak with good vocal expression, right volume, clear articulation, the right and appropriate pitch, speed, and dynamics. So let's talk about those 4 things that I explained to you one by one. Are you ready? First, we must analyze the venue and the event. Of course, we must know the name of the event, the name of the venue. Those information can be simple sentences to open your speech. We must also understand whether it's a formal, semi-formal, or totally casual event. And then we can adjust the way we speak to our audience in accordance to the characteristic of the event. For example, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this beautiful resort for our ABC company annual meeting. 2, analyze your audience. Who they are. Are they invited? Did they have to apply to be invited? Did they purchase some tickets to come to that event? Is there any similarities? Do they go to the same school? What kind of management level they are? Try to get as much information as possible. Explore if there are any VIPs, any famous person, or someone that you really know, or someone that you don't like. In that way, you can speak in accordance to the characteristic of the audience, and you can also set your mood and try to manage the nervousness. For example, before I continue my speech, I would like to extend our warmest welcome to the chairman of ABC Company. Thank you very much for being able to be with us here in this annual meeting. 3, analyze why your audience are there. We can create connections by saying few words that are relatable to them. For example, it's very nice to see familiar faces around us, and I've heard some of you achieved great performance last year, and then you're going to get an award tonight. I cannot wait to know and congratulate the winners. Most importantly, I know we're gonna have a party tonight. Another example, well, I won't be long in my opening speech because I know you are here to watch the special performance of Lady Gaga. Okay. 4 is explain who we are and why we are there. I'm Nirmala, and I'm here speaking to you as the host of this event. Welcome, and I hope you will have a great time. Before we watch the special performance, allow me to explain to you several important housekeeping notes. I'm Nirmala. I'm speaking to you on behalf of the district manager. Welcome to our beautiful city, and I'm going to explain to you several interesting places that you must visit while you are here in our city. And then you can go directly to your main points, speak to the points, be brief, and before you finish, don't forget to give some closing remarks, few sentences to summarize the overall speech you have given, and then thank the audience and then you can also mention what the next agenda will be. Okay, so that's all. Few tips and tricks for you to quickly prepare an opening speech at any given time. I hope that's useful, and just remember, don't overthink, be relaxed, get connected with the audience. In that way, you can be more natural and you can get ideas by connecting with the audience. You can be there and not just thinking about the theories, but be really there, be really on stage and get connected with the audience and deliver a humble and honest speech from you. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay fun. See you in the next video.